Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the shipping label order failed error on Vinted in 2026. So first of all, you need to either open your Vinted application or you can just simply come here on vinted.com in your web browser. When you are here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, in order to fix this particular error, the first thing that you can do is to simply wait for 24 to 48 hours. Oftentimes, the system retires automatically and the label will suddenly become available in your conversation thread or via email without you doing anything. The second thing that you need to do is to keep on checking your email box. Sometimes the Vinted application interface glitches and shows an error, even though the shipping label has already been successfully generated and sent to your registered email address. So if none of these methods are working, if you are using the Vinted application, you can try clearing the cache of your app. If that doesn't work, you can also uninstall it from your device and reinstall it. You can also come here on vinted.com, then click on your profile. Afterwards, click on the option of profile, and here you can just take a look at it in the web browser view and see if it is here or if it is still showing error after updating your app, after clearing the cache, and after opening it in your PC. If the error still persists even after 48 hours, you may need to cancel or repurchase. So you can message the buyer first to explain the technical glitch. Then you can cancel the order using the reason like agreement with the buyers to avoid any kind of negative feedback. And then you can relist the item so that they can buy it again. So this is going to generate a brand new tracking number and label request. If nothing is working for you, you can also try contacting to the Vinted customer support team. So over here, you just have to click on your profile on the top right hand corner, or you can directly click on this help button. Now over here, you can just simply try to contact to the Vinted customer support team and you can tell them about the problem that you are facing. So they are going to help you in this regard in the next 24 hours. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.